Jurors today heard from some key witnesses in the trial of Milwaukee County Supervisor Johnny Thomas.
Thomas is accused of taking a bribe. Lacey Crisp is live at the courthouse. Lacey?
Yeah, that's right, Charles. Today we heard from the lead investigator and from the man who wore the wire. They explained why they started the investigation into Thomas and how they did it. It was County Administrator Pat Farley who went to the district attorney's office with questions about how Supervisor Johnny Thomas was handling contract bids for the county. That's when Farley agreed to wear a tape recorder and talk to Thomas about the contracts.
Understand Mr. Thomas to be asking here.
What are they willing to give to get it on the agenda?
Give who?
Give Chairman Thomas.
The information that I heard on the audio caused me to believe that Mr. Thomas was soliciting a bribe in order to schedule the contract.
Investigators set up a meeting, and that's when Farley gave Thomas $500, saying it was a campaign donation from a company hoping to win a bid.
The money was the biggest thing.
The biggest thing to do what?
To move the contract forward.
To get Thomas to move the contract forward on his agenda.
To get Chairman Thomas to schedule it for a vote.
I monitored the Legistar website and saw that the following day the matter had been scheduled.
And who had scheduled it?
Mr. Thomas.
But when investigators tried to set up a meeting between Thomas and an undercover agent to give him another $500, Thomas emailed saying the money could be sent to him on his campaign website.
Mr. Thomas's reply doesn't say, make sure Mr. Richardson brings that other $500 cash to my fundraiser, does it?
No.
Now, the defense argues that it was Farley, not Thomas, who brought up the idea of a bribe. We'll hear that testimony coming up tonight at 6. On your side live at the Milwaukee County Courthouse, Lacey Crisp, today's TMJ4.